Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the main differences between angiosperms and gymnosperms. This is the list of the differences between angiosperms and gymnosperms. Now what are angiosperms? Angiosperms are flowering plants, whereas gymnosperms are non-flowering plants. On the left hand side are the characteristics of angiosperms, and on the right hand side you have the characteristics of gymnosperms. Now the first difference is angiosperms are seed producing plants, whereas gymnosperms are seed producing non-producing plants. The second difference is in angiosperms the seeds are enclosed within an ovary, whereas in gymnosperms seeds are unenclosed, that is they are bare or naked, and they are found on scales, leaves, as well as cones. Now the third difference is in case of angiosperms, they are seasonal. The life cycle is seasonal. That is, they die in a particular season, in autumn or fall. Whereas in gymnosperms, the life cycle is perennial or evergreen. Then the fourth difference is in angiosperms, the flowers are either unisexual or bisexual, whereas in gymnosperms, the flowers are unisexual. The fifth difference is in angiosperms, the tissues are triploid in nature, whereas in gymnosperms, the tissues are haploid in nature. Now, the sixth difference is in angiosperms, the leaves are flat in shape, whereas in gymnosperms, the leaves are scale shaped or needle like. The seventh difference is in case of angiosperms, the wood is hardwood, whereas in gymnosperms, the wood is softwood. The eighth difference is angiosperms are used in medicines, food, and clothing, whereas gymnosperms are used for paper and lumber making. The ninth difference is in angiosperms, the reproduction depends on animals for dispersal and also sometimes on water. Whereas in case of gymnosperms, reproduction is dependent on wind for dispersal. The tenth difference is in angiosperms, the embryo is either one or two cotyledons. The embryo has either one or two cotyledons. In case of gymnosperms, the embryo has one to several cotyledons. The 11th difference is in case of angiosperms, the female gametophyte does not have archegonia. That is, in female gametophyte, archegonia is absent. Whereas in case of gymnosperms, in the female gametophyte, archegonia is present. Now, some examples of angiosperms are apples, roses, wheat, and in case of gymnosperms, examples are pine, cypress, spruce, etc. Thank you.